Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what's inside the bag. Well, we have a tool and we have a cross stitch. This comes from FGNormal. If they have any specials, then I will put them here and in the description box below. And if I have any discount codes, it'll go the same place. So let's open up the first package here. So we have a nice little pair of scissors. Isn't that pretty? It's got two birds. It's kind of an antique gold. It does have a little stop thing. Very nice and pointed. And they've got some weight to them. Let's see how they cut. I'm just going to grab some threads here. Oh, yeah. Very nice. So those will go in my collection. And let me get it. Whoop. Get that back on there before I stab myself. So the scissors were $6.31 and they come in all different colors. But yeah, whoop. Yeah, let's put that on there and try to open it. So we got a bird right here and a bird here. And then you have this lovely little design of flowers all over it. Very nice. And this looks like an antique gold. I don't know. It said silver, but it looks more antique color. So yeah, we will, I did it again. We will use them sometime. All right, let's get on to the cross stitch. If I can get everything to lay down. So this is a 40 by 75. I didn't realize it was that big. Sorry, I needed a drink. Let me take a second and get this out of its bag. All right, I am back. Well, there is no picture for this other than this little teeny tiny picture. So I will put a picture here for you to look at. This has 30 colors. So the colors are kind of tan, brown, gray looking. It has the product number up here, 40 by 70 it says here. Evidently, they got that part wrong. 147 by 276 stitches per stitch. Very nice pattern. It's going to have a little confetti in it, from what I can see. I'll know better when I look at the canvas. Sometimes I can't see, but this is very nicely printed. And it does have 30 colors. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black. We have 823, which is a dark blue, and 939. This also has 3371 and no 3865. So maybe they're just using like off-white, off-tan type colors. So let's take a look at what else is in here. We do have a toolkit and it has the lovely blossom. I don't know that you can see that or not. It does have 5 needles. Right? Nope, it actually has 6 needles. Seriously, Laura, count again. 5 needles. Hoop, ball, thimble, and needle threader. So that's nice. It does come with a single page instructions on how to start and how to finish, what to do with the canvas later, and also how to make certain stitches and end your thread. Just like most of the kits. Now I'm going to turn this right here, and this. So we have 3987, 3987, and 3987 on the thread. There's a lot of thread there. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at it. That is, if I can get it open. Hang on just a second. All right, I am back. So you have 823. You have some buff color here, and it's a little bit more of a tan color there. You have 3771, which is a dark brown. You have this lovely reddish brown look. And there's silver. And there's an off-white. I don't know what color that is. Hang on. See if I can get to it. 3866 is the off-white. So very nice. Lots of 310 black. Oh my goodness. And a beautiful charcoal gray. Kind of a taupe color. So it'll have kind of muted colors. The brightest color that I'm seeing is this and that other one. Where is it? Here we go. And this one. So yeah, I thought it was quite different. And you know how I like the Tai Chi ones. So yeah, this is on a different kind of a scale. It is a bit bigger than the Tai Chi's. And of course they're on the thread drop, so I'll have to go through them all. Roll that all up. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. It does have the product number and how big it is here. Very nice key. The stitching does not go into the numbers, so that's awesome. The paper pattern will match the canvas. And down here you have how big it is. So yeah, it's got some size on it, and it is an 11 count. Let me see if I can measure this. Get it undone here. Let's see. Get it going. Okay, 68 and tad bit over 68, or 26 3/4 by very soft, not soft, but smooth canvas. Smooth would be the word. 39.5 centimeters, or a little over 15.5 inches. The actual picture size is 13.25 inches, or almost 34 centimeters that way. And this way it is, if I can get it to lay still, 63 centimeters, or 24, what is it? 24.75 inches. So it's good size, but it's not too wide. And it does have some bigger areas. Like I said, there's going to be some, almost said spaghetti, confetti in parts of it. I will show you. But other than that, I mean, it's very, very easy to see all the symbols. I'll try to hold it as still as possible. Very, very nice. So you have big rivers of color. You have that 3, which is probably 310 black. It's a dead giveaway there. But this is kind of confettied right in here. And then in other certain, like, places where there's detail. So very nice. And all her, I mean, not all, but all that blue is 310 black. And then the yellow is 939. So, yeah, and that's all her hair, or the top part of the yin-yang thing. So, yeah, I just thought this was different. I've never seen any of these. I mean, so I don't know that there is or there isn't any others in this so-called series. But, yeah, I thought it'd be nice and different. And all that, that brown, this tannish brown is going to go around the edges to kind of look like the edges are colored with like a tan, and then the black, and let's call it black and white for lack of what it is, black and white in the middle. So very nicely done. Very, very nice. I don't know where I would start. Maybe with her face. I don't know. Can't tell. No idea, but the canvas is fairly thick, and it's that nice smooth canvas. So yeah, very nice. And I'm not sure who the company is, so I haven't been looking at that, just so that I don't make a judgment call. Oh, it's Houlihan. Oh, it's DIY. You know, I try not to get into who makes it. I just want to see what the kit looks like. So FGNormal, thank you for this beautiful kit and these lovely scissors. I can hardly wait to use. Maybe we'll use those today in a stitch with me. I'll set them right there so I don't forget. Now, FGNormal does have cross stitch, paint by number, and I think they have diamond painting as well. So they have tools and crafts for all of that. They also have scrapbooking, wood felt, paper quilling, wax sealing, and silk screen stencils, if I could just talk. So they always have a nice wide variety and something in there for everybody, you know. So whatever you're into, do check them out. If they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be in the beginning and below in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.